Harnessing the creative process has helped shape me into the person I am today. But for many years, I just couldn't find the time to create. That's all changed. And let me tell you about it. I've always been creative, and the desire to make something my own still continues to inspire me to this day. Navigating my career, along with raising a family, demanded more and more of my time and left little time for me to be involved in a creative process. Now, the sacrifice was definitely worth it. But as the older I get, I'm finding that I have more time for myself. So, what a perfect opportunity to fire up the creative process once again, this time with many years of life experience behind me as inspiration. If this is your first time visiting the channel, welcome. I'm glad you're here. My name is James, and I make videos that share my life experience in a simple yet practical way that's easy to consume and apply to daily life. Being creative and curious helps me to do this because the creative process takes time. The challenge for me was to find something that would push me creatively. Creating YouTube videos at this time in my life checks all those boxes. Now, I'm not really interested in getting monetized or doing this as a business. If that happens, great. But what I really love is the hobby aspect of it and the creative license that it provides. But it's hard for me to create if I'm struggling with the mechanics. So for me, this required learning a bunch of new skills. And what a wonderful thing at this point in my life. I have found that the process of filming myself is the easiest part of making a video. It's everything else that's difficult. Because in the end, I have to be able to create content that satisfies not only the viewer, but also me too. And this is what excites me each time I start the process of making a new video. Now, I love to talk and have conversations. So maybe this is why this comes more naturally to me. And also in my prior career, I did a lot of public speaking. But then comes the filming aspect, from setting up the shot, adjusting the lighting, getting the sound right. All of these steps in the creative process are difficult to get right. And I'm really satisfied when I do. Then comes the actual filming, the part where I get to talk to the camera, the easiest part for me. I needed to find my voice in a way that made me feel comfortable when speaking to the camera, but also made me feel as though the person that was speaking to the camera sounded like me. Again, part of the creative process, and not always the easiest to get right. The delivery of the script, combined with the effort to connect with my audience, is the absolute goal of this process. Again, hard to do, but rewarding when done right. The editing is the toughest part, but it's also the part where creativity comes alive. I love the creative energy and excitement that comes from learning a new editing trick and applying it at just the right time. I also love how you can adjust the pace, the emphasis, the tone, and message of a video just by how you choose to edit. I can devote hours to editing a video, and every minute of it is fun. But it's also where I feel as though I have the most creative impact. And there we go, the complete creative process. This quote from Sophia Loren really exemplifies the way I feel about the creative process at my age. It states, "There is a fountain of youth. It is your mind, your talents, the creativity you bring to your life and the lives of people you love. When you learn to tap this source, you will truly have defeated age." Leave me a quick comment if you agree. Forcing myself to be creative on a daily basis is the key to healthy living. It provides purpose to my life while also giving me something to do. In closing, my name is James. If you enjoyed this content, please like, share, subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Again, I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.